coffee has become very popular in our culture. Like many others, you may enjoy a cup of coffee to kickstart your day. And if you're a regular coffee drinker, you probably know about some of the effects it can have on your teeth. For one, the more time coffee spends on your teeth, the more your teeth are likely to get stained. Coffee stains are some of the most common stains people get on their teeth. And once you get them, it's pretty hard to get rid of them, and you may even have to get your teeth professionally whitened. But staining isn't the only issue with regular coffee drinkers. Lots of people like to add sugar to their coffee, and this increases your chance of getting a cavity because it feeds the cavity-causing bacteria in your mouth. This actually brings us to our first way to make coffee better for your teeth. Use less sugar. Some people love the taste of coffee, and some people absolutely hate it. For the people who hate it, a lot of them try to counteract the bitter taste by adding sugar to it. But most people don't realize just how much sugar is actually going in their coffee, especially if they don't make it themselves. To put it into perspective, one 16-ounce pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks has about 50 grams of sugar in it. That's equivalent to 12 teaspoons. That's not healthy, and consuming that much sugar from just your coffee on a regular basis can cause a lot of issues. Not only are you much more likely to get cavities and a buildup of plaque around your teeth, you also risk developing diseases that affect your entire body, such as obesity and diabetes. But what if you just can't get over that bitter taste? Let's move on to tip number 2. Add milk. Adding milk or half and half to coffee is a great way to improve the taste without adding sugar. And it can also prevent your teeth from getting stained. Not only does milk lighten the color of your coffee, it also has proteins in it that can prevent the staining agents in coffee from clinging to your teeth and causing stains. But some of you love your coffee black and wouldn't even think about adding milk to it. If that sounds like you, our other tips should be a little more helpful. Tip number 3, don't sip throughout the day. Imagine two people. One person likes to chug all his coffee at once in the morning, and the other person likes to take small sips on his coffee throughout the day. Who do you think is putting their teeth at a greater risk? Believe it or not, it's actually the person who sips on his coffee. Why is that? Well, the more you sip on your coffee, the more time it spends on your teeth, meaning the more you risk staining your teeth or causing a cavity if you drink it with sugar. Now, we're not saying you should chug all your coffee at once, but it's definitely something you should keep in your mind as you drink. Tip number 4, rinse with water. Rinsing your mouth with water after drinking coffee is another good way to reduce the amount of time your teeth are in contact with the coffee. And it can be a great way to get rid of some of the residues stuck to your teeth. This tip is very simple, but it can go a long way in preventing both cavities and coffee stains down the road. Now, following all these tips doesn't mean you're never going to get a cavity or never going to get a coffee stain, but it can definitely make a difference. So if you're a coffee drinker, it's worth giving them a try. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new dental secrets every week.